Hi, my name is Junior. I own Payless used truck parts.
At Payless, we stock high-quality truck parts, including engines, transmissions, and differentials. We invest in cutting-edge equipment for all semi and commercial trucks and offer unbeatable prices for all our valued customers. With over 150 trucks in our yard, we're confident that we have the part for you, and if we don't, we'll source it for you. Once we get the part that you need, we'll take it to our installation facility where it's inspected, prepared, and installed. We have transferred thousands of truck parts to make vehicles operate like new with all the top brands in the business. We're proud to say that our facilities and our people are the best there is, but don't take our word for it. Come down to Payless and see it for yourself.